look out, y'all. We out here at the Hood Track Live. Got this GT off. Got Motec. They got something?
Got a cam in it.
Got a You got 20 to 10, y'all. Make sure when y'all get in here, y'all hitting that like button, subscribe button. Look out, look out. Mad Cow Mark in here, y'all. Alex Flores. What's up with it, Alex? King Lee. He's doing something, y'all. Make sure y'all getting in here, hitting that like, share button or something. Hit one of them buttons. I'm about to turn this TikTok on, y'all. See if I can get everybody over here. This TikTok. Okay, where y'all going, man? Okay. We got a little Shane. Nah, I ain't never raced a gray Corvette. He just got his Monte Carlo fixed. He said we're gonna grudge race tonight, y'all. They done put a new motor in it. They done put a new motor in that Monte. Boy, this thing here so clean. Sound fuel injection. Well, that's clean how they did that. Dang, that's clean how they did that. No, it ain't a basic 350. They got a LT4 in here, y'all. Okay. Which way? Right lane for the win, y'all. Right lane for the win. Somebody been wiping on that thing, y'all. Alright, y'all. We got a couple more races coming up. Y'all. Okay, here we got this badass 6-gen Camaro with that washing machine cam in it. You know when y'all got too many clothes on one side and it ain't stable. Yeah, this how it sounds when you got that washing machine that ain't got the stable legs on it. Hold on. I got it for you though. Yeah, it be jumping around the whole, that whole washing machine be jumping around. Okay. Hey, look out for my people watching on TikTok. Y'all check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Damn. Something ain't right, y'all.
Oh, he probably broke.
He broke, y'all. Man, yeah. Look out. Hey, look out, y'all, my YouTube. Hey, Circle of Life. Hey, girl. I'ma send, hey, Circle of Life. When I put a link in the thing, it don't, I can't put a link.
You always brag to me.
Yeah.
I can get some little bit of action here today.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there.
Bro.
God damn, that's doing something like that.
That's working today.
Boy, that's, ooh. Boy, you done did something now.
I did a little something. You want something?
Yeah. Hey, give him something, man. Give him one. Yeah, nah, he want one by himself. One, yeah, full Jesus. Just one Jesus. You know, young Jesus here. Yeah. Bam, here you go. Here, this, there it go. Yeah, boom, y'all. I made it home right on time. Yeah, man, we got Lookout playing in the background. You know what I'm saying? It's all in the house. Axle pop, I don't know what happened over there. But we got this clean Cutlass coming up next with that nice bubble hood. And you put that bubble hood on these Cutlasses, boy, that do kind of set it out. Any big blocks? I don't think so. I want to try to get a...
your rims cost more than your car.
Rims cost more than the car? That's what he said. You think so?
Bro, those are Corleone Fords. Those are custom made. They're one-offs.
See on my YouTube channel, y'all.
Those are one-off rims. Those rims...
Yeah, what you say about them wheels right there?
Look at them.
Yeah, I'm looking.
These come from Blue Magic.
Blue Magic? Yeah, let me get it for him. Here, hold that, man. Yeah. Got my boy in the building.
Nah, you need a break.
Over there. Oh, they say that's a big block.
Yeah, that's a big block.
Okay. Got that big block.